Hi, my name's Sam. I'm from Hobart and I am doing the Diploma in Paramedical Science here at APC.
Great catch taken there.
My job is quite hard and challenging at times to kind of do something on the side.
Right.
It was just the perfect way for me to be able to start my career.
She does it so well.
I moved to Canberra for about 6 years to play professional cricket and currently just moved to Hobart to kind of pursue my professional cricketing career there as well. So pretty full on. That's why this diploma was perfect for me. Before coming here, I just wasn't too sure what I wanted to do, but definitely now, I know I want to go to uni, I want to do the degree, and I want to be a full paramedic by the end of it. I think it's really important for all athletes, female and males, to kind of have something that's going to help them in life after their sporting career. So I think that's why I try to put a big emphasis on knowing what I wanted to do and a way to do it. So this was the perfect way for me to start getting there. I made the decision to play cricket because I only have a short time for that, where, as I can see now, there's a pathway that's opened up for me to be a paramedic and to study that as well. If you're ever wanting to study with APC, I would highly recommend it. The trainers they've been awesome. Even if your final destination is university, I still recommend this diploma just because it will prepare you, because at the end of the day, it's a full-on degree. You don't really know what's coming, so it's really good to just prepare you for the uni life, really.